So we have been remodeling our kids' bathroom and it was quite atrocious. We have a lot of wood accents in our house, and so I knew I wanted to tie that into what we were doing. And so these walnut hangers have been such the icing on top because we have a wood cabinet, we have wood shelves, and the wood trim in the doors, and these just tied everything together. They hold up to 30 pounds of weight. I got a pack of 4 here. They come with all of the hardware that you need and the instructions to install them, and they weren't that hard to install. We had to improvise a little bit more than what the instructions said because we weren't going through drywall. We're going through this solid piece of wood that we put here. So I'll show you what we did. But the instructions say that you can just put the bolts in the back. It already has hardware in the back, drilled into the back of this, pre-installed. You just put the bolt in and you can just screw it onto the wall. I love the look that it's giving us. It is really tying everything together. Super happy with this. It is 100% walnut. They have other different colors. They have like a whitewash color, a neutral color. You just need to look. They have a lot of really good ones. It has these little grooves here at the top to make sure that your towel's not going to fall off. So if you're looking for something really great like this to hang your towels on, or I've even seen people put this up in like their closet to hang their hats or their purses on, these are really good quality and I definitely recommend them. If you're interested in getting some just like this, I'm going to put the link for the ones that I got here down below.